everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to Mugdad Studios Andy. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput here and I'm gonna show you beautiful designer wear sarees Andy. So you can see me, I'm wearing a beautiful yellow color designer wear and mata. And it's a full work Andy. You can see the borders. We have poti work, kardanas and beautiful sequence work. And jardosi kuda వచ్చాయి. And all over the sari we have this beautiful work and it's a beautiful sari, yellow color. And this is the look of the pallu. And this material is organza material andi. So mannequin lo unna sari chupistanu. So this is a beautiful green color sari. So borders lo stone work వచ్చాయి and thread work. And this is a tassar georgette material andi. So this is a very beautiful work all over the sari. And here's the next sari. So this is also tassar silk material. Beautiful red color and ikkada butapati work వచ్చాయి, thread work, kardanas. So for orders, these are the numbers only. So take a screenshot and send it to us and we will assist you further for processing your orders, and these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. So let me quickly start showing you the saris. So the next sari, it's a beautiful grey color lo vachayandi, and this is a chiffon material, pure chiffon material andi. So you can see stone work వచ్చాయి, kardanas వచ్చాయి. It's a beautiful handwork. And cut finish border. So all over the sari stones వచ్చాయండి. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse is like this. So we have got the neck design and arms design so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this sari is 12,500. So next sari is a red color andi. So very pretty red color sari this is, and beautiful stone work and kardana work. You can see potis and thread kuda వచ్చాయండి. And pearls వచ్చాయి. Look at the details, such a lovely handwork. And this is the pallu, finishing of the sari. And blouse వచ్చేసి we have this contrast blue color blouse. So we have got the neck design and the arms design so that you can stitch it accordingly. And coming to the price, this is 11,999. So next sari. So this is a next sari with beautiful maroon color, and to see the details of the handwork, we have mirror, kardanas, jardosi and pearl work as well andi. So and floral design వచ్చాయి all over the sari. So beautifully handmade work on the borders. And this is the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి this is how it is. So we have got the necks and the arm design as well so that you can stitch it accordingly. And coming to the price, this is 15,500. So next sari is beautiful green color sari andi. And this is the crepe silk material. And we have got beautiful floral design made of thread work and jardosi and kardanas, and even on the borders we have this beautiful thread work. You can see బూటాపతి వర్క్లో కూడా ఫ్లవర్స్ వచ్చాయి. And this is the look of the pallu. And blouse is like this. So we have neck and arms design. So contrast lighter shade of green color, and the price for this saree is 10,999. So next saree. So this is another lovely green color, mehendi green color saree and idi. And borders low, beautiful. Look at the work, Jardosi work, kardanas and stone. So lovely floral design on the borders, and body of the saree ochesi plain ochai. And we have this cream color piping on the finishing. And this is the look of the pallu. And this is the blouse. And the price for this saree is 8,999. So for orders, please contact us at these two numbers. So just take a screenshot and send it to us, and our sales team will be there to assist you. And these are the Google Pay numbers for you to make the payment online. So next saree chusidam. This is a very pretty darker shade of pink color andi. And look at the borders. We have beautiful embroidery, kardanas and jardosi. So both the borders, both the sides, it's a beautiful work andi, and body of the saree is plain, and the saree shine is really beautiful. And this is the pallu. And this is a pure georgette material, and the price for this saree is 8,999, and this is the blouse. So next saree chusidam. This is in green color, and this is a beautiful designer wear. This is a chiffon material, and look at the saree. All over the saree chala beautifully we have got this design andi. Kardanas and zardosi lo beautiful handmade work ochai, floral motifs lo, and even on the borders we have this lovely finishing. And this is a pure chiffon material, very comfortable, easy to carry, body hugging material. And this is the look of the pallu. This is a gorgeous saree. Anybody who's looking for a reception wear or any kind of functions, this is the best option. So this is the neck design and the arms design on the blouse, so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this saree is 16,500. So next saree. So this is a beautiful georgette saree andi. And you can see a lighter shade of peach color saree this is. And look at the beautiful jardosi lo work ochai, and kardanas and moti work, and body of the saree has got this beautiful floral design, and the borders are beautiful with pearl design as well, pearl work kuda ochayandi. And the pallu is like this. So this is the finishing of the saree, and let me show you the blouse. So this is the blouse. We have got the neck and the arms design as well, so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this saree is 15,999. It's a very beautiful occasion. Today we have this Eid and lot of wedding season coming up. So all the beautiful ladies, you can go for this beautiful collection what I'm showing you now. This is a different shade of blue andi, and we have got very less work. Body of the saree lo floral design ochai, so that is silver jardosi and mirror work and kardanas also. And borders ochesi cut finish ochai with thread work in navy blue color, and jardosi work and kardanas as well. So very simple and pretty saree this is. And let me show you the pallu. So this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse chasey, this is how it is. We have got this beautiful neck design. So front, back, full work ochayandi. And the price for this saree is 13,999. This is in green color. So very dark shade of green color. So body of the saree you can see butapati work, jardosi, pearl and thread work lo floral design icharu. And lovely borders, cut finish border, butapati work lo chai and thread work and pearl work and jardosi. And this is the finishing pallu. And blouse we have got is a beautiful contrast red colored blouse with lovely neck design front and back, and on the arms you can stitch it accordingly. And coming to the price of this saree, the price for this saree is 14,500. So the next saree is a beautiful red color saree indeed. And look at this lovely design we have. So we have stonework kardanas and jardosilo, beautiful floral design ochayandi. And the borders we have got heavy work, you can see thread work, butapati work, stone kardanas and jardosi work. So the borders are really rich and very comfortable saree this is. And this is the pallu. So this is a crepe silk material, and this is the blouse, contrast blouse with neck, front and back and arms. And the price for this saree is 14,999. So for orders, please take a screenshot and send it to us on any of these WhatsApp numbers, and our sales team will definitely respond to you and assist you for processing the orders. And these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. And apart from shipping all over India, we are shipping internationally as well. So next saree chooses them. This is a dark shade of green color only, and lovely design. Look at this beautiful work. So kardana lochayandi and poti work ochai, and you can see thread work. So flowers have been made with beautiful thread work, and even on the borders. And we have sky blue color piping on the finishing. And this is the pallu, finishing of the pallu. So self pallu ochai, so same work even on the pallu andi, and the blouse is like this. Beautiful neck and back, front design and arms. And coming to the price, this is 10,999. So this is the next saree. So this is a crepe silk material. So this is a sequence saree. So we have beautiful sequence work all over the saree indeed. So straight line sequence ochai. Beautiful crepe silk material, comfortable saree, easy to carry, and a very gorgeous saree. And this is the finishing. So we have self finishing andi, and let me show you the blouse. So this is the blouse with beautiful front and back neck design and arms, so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this saree is 14,399. We have got another color in sequence saree indeed. So this is complete black.
Navy blue.
Sorry, this is a navy blue color. Looks like complete black color. This is a dark navy blue color sequence saree, same pattern. And borders to jardosi kardana vachayandi, and all over the saree sequence vachay. So this is a beautiful sequence saree. And this is a finishing. And the blouse we have got is in like this contrast black color lochayandi, and this is the design. front and back, so that you can get it stitched accordingly. And the price for this saree is 18,999. So here's the next saree. It's in two shades and matter. So we have got pink and lighter shade of orange color saree. So look at the stone work and the kardanas. Beautiful stone and kardanas. Thread work crochet. And this is a crepe material. Very comfortable to carry. And this is the pallu. And coming to the blouse, so see, this is how it is. So neck design ochayandi, however you want, you can get it stitched. You can use this design on the front or on the back, as ever your wish. And the price for this saree is 10,999. So next saree in beautiful green color, and all over the saree we have this lovely design, kardanas and thread works lo ochayandi. And borders look at a beautiful design. Kardanas, thread work, and this is the back. This is the pallu. Finishing of the sari, and the blouse is like this. So we have got the neck design. However you want, you can get it stitched. And coming to the price of this sari, this is 10,999. And the next sari is a beautiful red color sari, and we have got uta patti work and thread work and kardanas and on the borders and even on the body of the sari. If you see the details, such a lovely embroidery, handmade, beautiful handmade work, and pink color finishing ochai on this red color sari. And this is a crepe silk material, and this is the border pallu, finishing of the pallu, and the blouse piece is like this. We have got the neck design. So however you want to get it stitched, 10,999 is the price. So please take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us on any of these contact numbers, and we will be there to assist you, Andy. And these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. And we also have international courier services apart from shipping all over India. So let me quickly show you the next sari. This is a lovely lighter shade of peach color sari, and look at this thread work and kardanas. So leaf design ochayandi. It's a beautiful handwork. You can take a single pallu, and the borders, we have got this beautiful, this is the tussar georgette material, Andy, and this is the pallu. Comfortable to carry. These saris are all beautiful and easy to carry. And this is the blouse, contrast ochai, and we've got this beautiful leaf work, thread work lo ochayandi. And the price for this sari is 8,999. So here goes the next sari in green color. This is a unique mehendi green color sari, and look at the border part. We have got this pearl design, pearl work lo flowers ochai, and kardanas lo ochayandi. So beautiful leaf motifs and bata. So leaves are in pearl work, and the borders are with kardanas. So very lovely saris. All these are exquisite collection, and this is the pallu, and the blouse is like this. Self blouse ochai, beautiful design, front and back neck. However you want to get it stitched. And the price for this sari is 8,999. So this is another sari, beautiful lighter shade of peach color. This is a crepe silk material. We have stones all over the sari, And border look we have got pearl design, jardosi and stone work and cut finish borders. This is a lovely material, very comfortable, easy to carry, so lightweight. And this is the finishing, the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 9,999. So here goes the next sari in black. So anybody who's a black lover and looking for a elegant and gorgeous sari, so this is the best option. And this is a satin material. We have got zigzag design with kardanas and sequins, and even on borders we have this zigzag design. So very comfortable sari and easy. And this is the look of the pallu, and the blouse is like this. We have got neck and arms design, and the price for this sari is 13,500. And next sari is a beautiful green color sari. This is a leaf green color sari and crepe silk material. And look at this embroidery work on the borders and all over the sari. So we have sequins and thread work and cut finish border. We have sequins and jardosi on the borders. Very comfortable saris and Ivani. So look at the finishing, the pallu. And blouse chasey. This is how the blouse is. We have got beautiful borders, Andy, so that you can use that wherever you want on the blouse. And the price for this sari is 14,999. Here goes the next sari. So this is a beautiful color. This is brown this side, and on the left hand side it's a dark coffee brown color. And this is a crepe material, and we have got stones and kardanas on the borders, floral design charu, and even on the body of the sari. And this is the look of the pallu. And the blouse chasey. This is the blouse. Such a beautiful design on the blouse as well, so that you can stitch it accordingly if you want to use it on the front or back. And the price for this sari is 9,999. So here goes the next sari, green color, Andy. This is a lovely green color sari. So the body of the sari is plain. This is a tussar georgette material, and borders so we have got zigzag design, floral design, thread work achai, and kardanas achai. So beautiful leaf work achai, and this is the pallu. And let's see what do we have in the blouse. So contrast yellow color blouse achai. We have got this neck and arms design. So however you want, you can get it stitched. So this is the arms part, I think. And the price for this sari is 10,999. So please take a screenshot. All the beautiful ladies, do not miss out on your favorite sari and send it to us, and we will take care of it. And we will assist you for processing your orders. So let me quickly show you the next sari. Here goes the next sari in beautiful pink color, and we have silver kardanas and pink color jardosi work ochayandi. If you see the details, sequence work ochai, and cut finish. No, there's no cut finish border. There's a violet color finishing on the border. And And this is the pallu. We have got tassels on the pallu. This is a crepe material. And let me show you the blouse. What we have. So this is a lovely blouse and it's stitched. The neck design has been given. The arms design has been given. Sorry, let me show you properly. So this is how it is. And the price for this sari is 10,999. So next sari. Black or coffee brown?
Brown.
This is a coffee brown color sari. So very unique color. Very hard to find this color. And body of the sari is plain, and coming to the borders we have beautiful handmade work, stones, kardanas, potis and beautiful zardosi work. So this looks beautiful on this coffee color sari, and this is the pallu. We also have tassels on the pallu, and let me show you the blouse, how it looks. So this is a contrast blouse, so very beautiful contrast blouse with beautiful design on it. And the price for this sari is 13,999. Here's the next sari in red color. All over the sari we have stone work with dardosi. Borders lo chesi, kardanas ochayandi along with sequins and stone work. So this is a lovely sari, beautiful handmade work all over the sari, and this is the pallu. And coming to the borders, blouse ochesi, this is how it is. Contrast color lo chayandi blouse, and the price for this sari is 9,999. So next sari chusidam. This is a beautiful black color sari. Such a lovely sequins and kardanas all over the sari, you can see. So very pretty sari, cut finish, border, leaf bottoms ochai, beautiful kardanas lo, sequins lo. And this is the pallu. And let me show you the blouse of the sari. This is the blouse of the sari. So neck design ochayandi and arms design kuda ochai. So however you want, you can get it stitched. And next sari in same pattern look, green color andi. So this is in green color. And this is the last sari. So we have got such a gorgeous work. So we have got the same pattern sari in black and green andi. This is the finishing. And the blouse is like this. So that was all from beautiful designer wear sarees, So all the beautiful ladies, do not miss out on your favorite saree. Immediately take a screenshot and send it to us. And these are the contact numbers. So take a screenshot and send it to us. And these are the Google Pay numbers where you have to make the payment online. And we also have international courier services apart from shipping all over India. So that's all for now from beautiful and exquisite collection. I will soon get back to you with another collection. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.